Hello guys! In this video we will see the ZIL MMZ 4505 and ZIL 133. ZIL MMZ 4505 is a dump truck that was produced by the Mitishchi machine building plant, MMZ, in the Soviet Union and later Russia. The ZIL MMZ 4505 was produced from 1987 to 1995. It was equipped with a V8 gasoline petrol engine. This engine produced 150 PS. Maximum speed was around 90 kilometers per hour. 55 miles. The ZIL MMZ 4505 is known for its ruggedness and was widely used for off-road transportation and logistics. The ZIL 133 was a Soviet-Russian heavy-duty truck produced at the ZIL Likachev plant in Moscow. It was a three-axle version of the ZIL 130. Characterized by increased payload capacity. ZIL 133 was produced from 1975 to 2000. It was a multifunctional truck used both for construction and for transportation of various cargoes. ZIL 133 was an important vehicle in the Soviet Union and the former Soviet Union, distinguished by its power and endurance in difficult conditions. Today, some of them can still be found in operation. If you enjoyed the video, tell us about it in the comments.